All right, it's Sunday morning and late Sunday morning. We're back on the cabinet project until I go back to work in the bungalow tomorrow. But I just wanted to give an update on this. It's being primed right now with the first coat. These obviously are the drawers. I did something a little bit different. Probably broke some rules here. So you furniture refinishers will go crazy over this. I wanted to mix my own primer on this cabinet, and partially because it's going to receive a lacquer base, but I didn't want to use an oil base. I wanted something that would seal holes and porosity as best I could, and at the same time be able to run some steel wool over it to keep the undercoat as smooth and shiny as possible. I'm going to do 2 coats on this. So here's what I did. I used basically drywall and plaster primer mixed in with black semi-gloss paint to get the properties I was looking for. It is drying fast, and we'll find out if it's sandable or at least manipulated with steel wool real soon. I'm looking forward to get this project out of the way. We'll stand the cabinet top up and do the sides so we can have some good brush strokes. And then I'm gonna move over to this cabinet right now, do the base, and then I'll pick it up and do the top. Okay, so far so good. I tested out some steel wool on the first coat of primer and stretched out a second coat of primer just on the drawers because everything else is still too wet, but it's coming out very smooth, looks very good. So the cabinet top is, at least all the horizontal pieces that I'm going to do are done. And then the base of the cabinet is the same way. It's going to get the stainless steel treatment, the steel wool, and then second coat of primer, then stand everything up and finish the priming by tomorrow. And hopefully when the contractors are at the bungalow doing their work, I can get back here and finish this thing up.